Gaming enthusiasts, get ready to embark on a nostalgic journey with the Anbernic RG ARC, a new handheld gaming device that pays homage to the iconic Sega Saturn. This innovative gaming gadget comes in two exciting variations, the RG ARC S and RG ARC D, each offering a unique gaming experience. One of the standout features of the Anbernic RG ARC series is its Sega Saturn-inspired appearance. This appearance philosophy is most evident in the 6 front-facing buttons that are reminiscent of the Sega Saturn controller. The compact display is cleverly nestled between the D-pad and gamepad buttons, offering a perfect blend of retro aesthetics and modern functionality. The RG ARC D stands out with its dual operating systems, running on both Android 11 and Linux. On the other hand, the RG ARC S is developed for those who prefer a streamlined experience, featuring the Linux operating system. Both versions of the Anbernic RG ARC are powered by the capable Rockchip RK3566 chipset, ensuring smooth and responsive gaming. The RG ARC S boasts 1GB of LPDDR4 RAM, while the RG ARC D offers even more with 2GB of RAM. In terms of storage, the single OS version comes with 16GB TF memory, while the dual OS version combines 16GB TF and 32GB eMMC memory, providing ample space for your favorite games and apps. The dual OS version of the RG ARC features a touchscreen display, enhancing usability and providing a more intuitive gaming experience. The display is the portal to your gaming adventures, offering vibrant visuals and responsive touch controls. Both versions of the Anbernic RG ARC are equipped with essential connectivity options. Wi-Fi online pairing and Bluetooth handle function enables seamless multiplayer experiences and easy pairing with compatible devices. The inclusion of 2 sets of shoulder buttons further enhances the device's versatility, making it suitable for emulating a wide range of games. Under the hood, the RG ARC series houses a Rockchip RK3566 chipset, a powerful configuration for smooth gaming experiences. Both the RG ARC S and RG ARC D models are equipped with 2 USB-C ports and a mini HDMI connection. These ports open up various possibilities, from connecting to a TV for a larger-than-life gaming experience, to pairing with other peripherals for added convenience. Additionally, a MicroSD card reader is present in both models, allowing for expandable storage options. Gamers across the world are eager to learn when they can get their hands on the Anbernic RG ARC gaming handheld. Will it be available in specific regions, or will it have a global release? Will there be pre-order opportunities for those who want to secure the device as soon as possible? These questions, among others, are expected to be addressed by Anbernic's official announcement. Another critical aspect that remains a mystery is the pricing of the RG ARC series. Potential customers are keen to know how much this innovative gaming handheld will cost. Anbernic is likely to provide detailed pricing information for both the RG ARC S and RG ARC D versions, allowing gamers to plan their budgets accordingly. While the official statement may not include a specific release date, it is expected to provide a rough timeline for when gamers can expect to see the Anbernic RG ARC on the market. This information will be crucial for those who are eagerly waiting to dive into the world of Sega Saturn-inspired gaming. As enthusiasts and gamers patiently await these crucial details, it is clear that Anbernic is committed to building anticipation and excitement for their upcoming gaming handheld. The blend of a classic Sega Saturn appearance with modern gaming capabilities has undoubtedly piqued the interest of many. So, keep an eye out for Anbernic's official announcement, which is anticipated to drop shortly and finally unveil the missing puzzle pieces regarding the Anbernic RG ARC's availability and pricing. The Anbernic RG ARC series is set to delight retro gaming enthusiasts and modern gamers alike, thanks to its Sega Saturn-inspired appearance and versatile hardware. Whether you choose the RG ARC S with a streamlined Linux OS or the RG ARC D with dual Android 11 and Linux systems, you're in for a gaming experience that combines nostalgia with cutting-edge technology. It's a true testament to Anbernic's commitment to delivering innovative handheld gaming devices for all types of players. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.